some of the hiring trends that we're seeing. And as you can imagine, on the left side, you will see the fastest growing jobs are all related to, engineers and AI and so decision scientists. So it's important to, certainly gain exposure to all of as much of it as you can, because it's going to be, a part of our workforce. And you can see on the right-hand side, the fastest declining jobs. Again, everything that's really kind of more data entry, fundamental, administrative, large quantities of data that had been, input, previously. And then, on the right-hand side, again, as we talk about the engineering aspect, data analytics, but again, that critical thinking, problem solving, working cross-functionally is really going to be key. And again, the communication, the emotional intelligence, all these things still really matter. In this new era of kind of tech-centered, tech-enabled AI areas.
Yeah, and I think the other thing, if you notice, the light green is technology-centric skills, and the dark green is human-centered skills. I mean, I think there's probably an equal distribution, right?
Yep.
In terms of what's valued. And I think that goes to what you're saying, Lisa, is that, it's kind of like we used to all go to the library to do research reports with encyclopedias, right? Then the web came, we didn't need to do that, but we still need to today, when we do searches for information on the internet, make sure that it's accurate and double and triple check it, right?
So out there is not true.
Right, and it's a tool, and not everything that an AI driven model and an ML driven model provides somebody is going to be 100% accurate, or provide the best prediction, or provide the best strategy for you to employ, whether you're dealing with an employee or a customer, or marketing to a customer. So, but in order to take advantage of more information, you need the critical problem solving skills, and then you need to effectively implement it, the right change management skills, the creativity, the communication skills, and the ethical and emotional intelligence skills that in order to use it. And I think we see that pretty much every day in what we do. Is, yeah, okay, they're a great engineer, we got that, but we spend probably 90% of our time assessing everything on the right, and particularly in the dark green. And I think that's important for people to remember. Chelsea, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to interrupt.
No, I appreciate that. Just to build on that, I think it just helps us kind of get to that information quicker, because when we're meeting with clients and, we're delivering a candidate slate, we want to bring as much information to them as possible, accurate information, and of course our assessment, but to accelerate that conversation. So when they're meeting, they can have a deeper dive conversation. So I see this as all enhancements and tools to get to the heart of the matter in these discussions, and that's the relationships are still going to be key. When you look at, to Lisa's point, the communication, just the relationship building, the emotional intelligence is more critical than ever, I think, because it still comes down to the chemistry. Once, the chemistry of the executive teams, when we're building out teams, this helps us kind of get to those answers quicker, I think.